Hey guys, cjheighton. I'm gonna try and do some coding, and I thought may as well try and get a bit of it on camera. Um, really, I end up doing most of my coding with a program called GameMaker. You can get a free version of it. It doesn't have a couple of different pieces, but it still works for me really quickly, really easily. I'm using the Mac versions first. Basically, I'm using the Mac full version for my coding mainly, and then for the PC version, I am using the demo. Mac version is only GameMaker 7. They're hopefully going to change that for GameMaker 9. I really hope that doesn't mean that I'm going to have to actually work on remaking the entire game, but this is a bit of an experimental game mode I've been working on. It's Survival, where basically you have bats randomly spawning every 20 or 30 ticks, which means that basically you're going to be getting yourself swarmed with bats, and you have to try and get your other partner to help you beat them all back, basically. And these things are a pain in the butt. I swear to God that these things are the bane of my existence, these things. I don't know why I added this game mode, I just did. Oh my god, yeah. And then I ended up falling out of the world and having to restart. Woo. Such a good moment in my life. And basically what happens is, that's what this thing is. You have to survive for as long as possible. Yep. So that's what's gonna be a bit of a pain in my butt to try and develop. Yeah, I think I might need to change how the bats work in order to advance with that. Added a few bonus levels to my game. There's just some really cool little things. Just Maker 91. So basically, I'm gonna try and do a bit of a playthrough to see just how long the actual game will be.
Okay, Devin, do you know what you're gonna work on?
I don't actually know how much playtime I can really do. But yeah, I also ended up losing my rock texture.
Connor,
Replaced
do you want to, if you need to talk, do you want to go in the other room?
Alright, yeah.
So it's not
Alright. Different room. Alright. Basically, I've also been working on the bonus levels, and this is one of those bonus levels. You have to get as many coins as you really can within the time limit. I don't know how long that time limit really is, but basically I found that starting in the very bottom middle part of the map is actually the best option, as it tends to give you a heck of a lot of score. By the time you hit about 700, that's when the timer ends, so it's a bit of a cheaty way to play, but hey, still pretty cool. These aren't actually a $100 bill thing, which I explained a while back, I think, but they actually give you $1 each every time you hit them, so I hit over 785 of those tickets. Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm playing through my game.
Are you doing that? Because I'm thinking the same thing. Doing like commentaries?
Yeah, I'm doing commentaries, yeah. Yep, thanks. Okay. I'm just trying to speedrun my own game to see how long how long the game will actually end up lasting.
Yeah. I'm thinking of doing something.
Cool, good luck to you. Oh my god. What a pain in the butt. Our lasted just over 4 minutes. Gameplay. Only on level like 3 or 4. this will in fact all be campaign. What you see here is in fact final product-ish. It may be able to change. It might not be. Or I ain't like expected to change. You guys are just gonna have to deal with the changes as I bring them up. Q to actually get rid of an item. I don't really want to give myself the rifleman right now. Full times. I guess that rather than it being more ruiny anymore, it now looks sort of like Space Marine-y. The game. But basically, yeah, bosses are a pain in the butt still. And I just lost over 1,000 score. That sucks. So yeah. Alright, so the hammer gun allows you to create or duplicate objects in the environment around you. Fairly interesting concept, fairly fun to use. Save. This is a fairly difficult level.
How you doing today,
Pretty good. You? Game I've been developing. I'm just trying to speedrun it to see how long I can actually, how long this game will really last for. Saving.
Looks like they're following you.
Bats. If you want to actually see what's going on here, see my health bar?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's how many. That's how much health it just took away alive in 3. It took just over 3 lives
You
away.
made this game?
Yes. Oh. Okay.
Went the wrong way.
Lost
Sorry,
2.
I distracted you.
No, I don't. No, you didn't. Oh, come on. Well, the trick of this one is to hit the enemy. It will go downwards, and then you're supposed to hit it again. It will go left and right. Start to go left and right, anyways. You can manage to hit it again. It should be fairly simple. Jeez. Up, and then you get through. But that one takes a little while longer than the previous thing. Save. So I have just over $200. I'm gonna try and get myself loads of health packs. It's not 4 lives. Continue on. Okay, don't need the hammer gun in that. Oh my god. I remember this level. Bit of a pain in the butt. Because all this stuff is a lie. You're gonna have to actually deal with the fact that you can't get any of the bonuses. It's a pain in the butt, but if you want to live, you gotta try and get up there. And there is absolutely no other way to get up than to use the top platforms. Otherwise, you're basically dead. Bats are a pain in the butt. That is all I'm gonna say. This level is, again, a bit of a pain in the butt because there are a lot of different things that go wrong in this. Like, there are a lot of different things to this level that are a little bit different. Oh, there we go. Oh. Crap. Well, that was bonus level. It's just over 7 minutes to get to the second bonus level. But yeah. If you want to see what I use to make the bonus level things, this is called Bonus Maker. Basically, when I used a random sprite, made it visible, non-solid. And then I made it that when it gets created, it will set alarm 0 to 2.5, set alarm 1 to 1,200. Then I put down alarm 0. Alarm 0 creates moving instances of object 89, which when you collide with them gives you 1 score when you hit them. I made it go in directions 90, 180, 270, and 0, as you guys can see. And it has to be on x of 0, y of 0 relative at a random speed. Alarm 1, which was every 1,200 ticks, I'll go to the next room. And then at room start, I'll display a message which says, "Are you ready? collect all the coins you can, collect all the bonuses you can within the time limit. Go! So that's how you make bonuses. However, for the shop you have draw. That was actually what all the sprites were along the corner. Man, already been 10 minutes. Along the corner you have basically a draw event. It'll say draw. And you'll have draw sprite, the sprite of your object, draw sprite of your object, draw sprite of your blah, just like beside each other. You get the point, and then when you press one key, if any of the instances inside the shop is equal to 0, if score is larger than the value that you need for that object that you want to set, start a block, display the message, getting item for you, set score relative to negative whatever the heck the price was, display message, obtained the item, and it will create instance of the item at your character's point. Else, if any of the objects inside the shop are equal to 1, if score is smaller than 30, which is, for example, this rifle, it'll display the message, sorry, not enough money, and then it'll exit the event. Same thing for 2, 3, and 4. Well, for 4, I guess this is a bit different. If score is larger than 50, oh yeah, this is for health packs. If the score is larger than 50, that's going to be what my price is for the health packs. Start of a block, display the message, getting item for you, blah, blah, blah. Display the message, obtained health pack, else if score, blah, blah, blah. Like, you get the point, right? So not money, and then I gotta make it so that it exits the event. I forgot to add that. But yeah. Those are just a couple of the different things that I implemented in my game. If you want to see how many levels are in my game, I have local multiplayer in my game, as well as a single player campaign. So it lasts quite a while. It's got over 40 levels in the game. There's also a few secrets that take you to other bonus levels. Sorry, I don't know why my voice has all of a sudden gone all weird. But yeah, try and find all the secrets you can. And welcome to the world of the Jasper Chronicles. Thanks for watching. And show you HD. We are clear.